So we can talk about the RowCout transformation. So what is the RowCout transformation and where we're supposed to use them in the real time? Okay. So RowCout transformation can be used to get the number of records count which are passing through the pipeline. Which are passing through the pipeline means this line. Okay. I mean, from source, how many records are came. If you want to track those changes, so RowCout transformation will be helpful. Okay, it will get the number of records count and it will keep that value in a variable. So let's mainly this RowCout transformation, we can use it in the real time where you have a situation. For example, if you want to track the changes, I mean, from the source, how many records we got out of those records, how many are inserted and how many are updated in such a way. If you want to make it logging, so by the time we can use the RowCout transformation. Okay, so now I will explain about only basic. In the further, you will get the more details. Okay, yeah. So for example, so so my package name is RowCout. Okay, for example. Okay, yeah, existing package only I have taken, copy pasted, and I have renamed. So here, if you see, this is one of the data flow advanced. So inside here, I would like to get the record counts. How many are came from the source and how many are, okay, came for customer wise, how many are came for person wise, how many are came for territory wise. Okay, so first let me create one log table in my target database. Okay, so for example, I have a one table, log table. Okay, SSIS log details, SSIS data log. Okay, for example, log ID integer. Okay, so source record count. Okay, that is integer. Total source record count, how many came from the source, and customer count, for example, integer. What is the another one? Salesperson count, integer. For example, region count, integer. For example, into this table, I would like to, and I would like to add one more column. Nvarchar 1100. Okay. So drop and recreate the table. Okay. So I would like to first declare three variables, four variables totally. So four means four variables, totally four variables I would like to. Why? Because these variables only can hold the that record count at the runtime. Customer wise count. The data type is int. Okay, int 64 or int 32 or whatever the respective data type. Okay, next source count. SOURC source count. This is also in 32. Next, salesperson count. Okay. So, and another one is, for example, region. Okay. I have declared the four variables. Why? Because I'm supposed to get into this only. Okay. So, I would like to take the RowCout transformation. So here I would like to drop it and I would like to do it there. Okay. and this one. So here I would like to assign the record count to my which one? To my source count. Okay. Another row count transformation which I would like to place it here, which is load the data to the customer. So I would like to map my customer wise count, and I would like to take the another row count transformation which is load the data to salesperson. Okay, so map this. So variable name I would like to go in salesperson, and another row count transformation I would like to take it into region wise. So I would like to use region wise. Okay, region count. So now if you see, it seems it is a pretty much okay. Okay. So at the runtime, we will get the values counts into these respective variables with the help of row count transformation. That values in the control flow, okay, we can load it actually. So with the help of execute SQL task, I would like to make an entry in the, in the this log table. Okay, so insert into okay, source record count, customer count, salesperson count, region count, package name. Okay, so we supposed to pass the values like question marks. This is nothing but the parameters. Okay, I parameters place లో మనం ఆ వేరియబుల్స్ ని మ్యాప్ చేస్తాం. మొత్తం నాలుగు క్వశ్చన్ మార్కులు. ప్యాకేజ్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసరికి I would like to give RowCout. Okay, for our understanding purpose only. Okay, so copy this and take it, and in the SQL statement just copy paste it, click OK, and go to the parameter mapping. Here I would like to add 4 parameters. Why? Because we have 4 question marks. The first one is, what is the first one? Source record count. Okay, where is the variable? Source record count. Next, customer count. Next, customer count. Customer wise count. Next, salesperson count. Next, salesperson count. Next, region count. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. This is 0. Okay, so done. Now I am executing. Okay, now if you see in the log table, you could see how many records it is passed through for each and every output.